How to disable play with Windows Media Player contextual menu. In Windows, Vista, when viewing a folder, when right-clicking on an item, there's the menu Play with Windows Media Player. How to set it so such submenu does not show. Not sure I want to uninstall Windows Media Player though. I have no problem if modding registry is required, just need to know where.
The relevant entry occurs several times in the registry, but only one place needs to be removed to disable the context menu entry. Further, the context menu entry exists separately for different types of media files and folders, depending on whether it is audio, image or video. Finally, there are separate entries to play the items in WMP, and to add them to the WMP playlist. This creates 12 permutations that need to be removed, actually, only 10 because there doesn't seem to be entries for image files, only image folders. Here's how to remove both commands from all three media types for both files and folders. Create a reg file with the following content and run it. Adding them back is much longer, below, so you may want to back them up. If you want to keep the context menu entries but simply remove the accelerator, P, so that you can paste files easily without having to first go through the WMP entry, you need to modify a different registry entry.
I found this method, Win7, which has just worked for me on Win10, 10586, and is less scary than all that registry editing business. This URL.
Get rid of Play with Windows Media Player and add to Play with Windows Media Player list entry in context menu. Control panel, default programs, set program access and computer defaults. Click on custom. If nothing shows, change it to something else, then click it. Under choose a default media player, deselect enable access from this program from Windows Media Player and Windows Media Center and any others, like iTunes.
Just run. This will unregister the Windows Media Player shell extension and thus remove the Play with WMP entry.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.